Flying off the shelf once again, it's the continuing, daring, and dangling adventures of Clii Hanger! Today's adventure, number 919, Clii Hanger and the Nightingales.
Clii Hanger, hanging from a cliff, and that's why he's called Clii Hanger.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
We find Clii Hanger where we left him last, hanging from a cliff.
Can't hold on much longer.
Cliff notices that night is falling. Quickly, Cliff reaches into his backpack and extracts his nifty survival manual. Using his notable decoding skills, Cliff begins to read.
If you notice that night is falling, disguise yourself as a baby nightingale in distress. Neato. Help! I'm in distress!
Oh, look! A baby nightingale in distress! We'll take him to our nest and raise him as our own.
Will these nurturing nightingales be Cliff's route to a new, non-cliff-hanging existence?
Eat your night crawlers, dear. They're good for you. And now it's time for our new baby to fly for the first time.
Okay, family, nudge him out of the nest.
No, you don't understand. I'm not really a nightingale. Nuts.
And that's why he's called Clii Hanger.
Can't hold on much longer.